The screen on the controller of your ActivO will indicate every 500 hours that it's time for service. When it does so, you have to first remove the front filter on the machine because that's where the air is being drawn in order to create your ozone, and later to remove your ozone from the air. Our first step then is to open the front grille panel, and we do this by unscrewing the 6 screws located on the front grille margins. The screws should be removed using the tool that's enclosed with your ActivO. You'll notice that the top right screw is left to last. This will keep your panel in place until the end. Now carefully remove the panel, and you'll see that there's a ground wire connected to the panel. Don't remove the ground wire, there's no reason to do so. We're now ready to remove the air filter so that we can wash it. Simply take the air filter to a normal faucet and run water over it to clean it. Shake it dry and slide it back where it came from. The heart of your ActivO are 2 singlets, each singlet comprised of 5 rods, a patented technology that's the heart of your machine. Each of these rods can attract dust over time, and as they do so, the ozone generation decreases. The first step is to remove their electrical connection. Each singlet has one connection, which is simply removed by separating the 2 connectors. Now we remove each singlet from the ActivO by loosening and removing 2 screws. Once the nuts are removed, gently slide the singlet straight out. After removing the singlets, we now wash them gently under running water. As we're doing so, we're careful to keep the electrical connector away from the water. If you find that there's still particulate matter on the rods, then take a clean cloth and gently wipe dry. We're now going to reassemble the singlets into your ActivO. Notice there are 3 rods on one side and 2 rods on the other side. Replace each singlet, keeping the 3 rods facing outward. It's time to now reconnect the connectors. Take a moment to study them and you'll see that they're keyed. Once the connectors are put together, gently insert them and push them to the back of the singlets. It's now time to replace the front panel. You'll notice that we start by first inserting the screw in the upper right corner, exactly the reverse of the prior procedure, so the panel's anchored.